We're back with day one. Pretty land. Pretty land. Okay, anyways. Do that. We're going to the land. There's a boat around here. Hi, Bob. Come here, Bob. Baby, I saw you. Hey, babe. Babe, what are you doing? You're gonna come home be with me, Bob. I don't want to get attacked. Babe. Bob doesn't know me yet. Hey, babe. Babe, why are you running where? Baby. Babe. But oh, there's Bob. Oh, Bob, no. Okay. Bob didn't look cool enough. No. He didn't look cool enough to be Bob. He's not Bob. He's just a liar that says he's named Bob. His name's Bob. Woo, woodpeckers. Oh, sorry guys, I'm not talking much because I'm eating candy. Okay, now I'm done with it. Now. Oh geez, see that tree? Gee. Well, oh geez, he's mad. Bob, I am so sorry. I see you, Wyatt. I'm so sorry, babe. I'm so sorry. Goodbye.